So hey guys, it's your girl Nadia and I'm back again with another video. So today's video is I'm going to teach you guys how to find your own vendors. So you telling me you want to start a business. You telling me you want to, sell products or whatever. So if you want to do that, you're going to have a vendor to sell the products. And most of these vendors are from China or far, 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 far away from where you're from or where you live. So I'm going to teach you how to do it today. I'm going to teach you how to look for them. I'm going to teach you how to communicate with them and all that. And I have an ebook. So if you want more information on how to do this stuff, you guys gotta get my ebook. You guys gotta purchase the ebook because let me tell you something. You gotta spend money to make money. And if you don't know how to do it, you have somebody else that has to teach you how to do it. And all right, so let's get into it. So first, on your mobile device, what you're going to need is you're going to need two apps. The first app is Alibaba. As you can see, it's opening up. If it wants to hurry up. So Alibaba is opening up. As you can see, Alibaba has, they're going to have everything you need. They're going to have everything you need. The second app you're going to have, surprisingly, and so many people like downplay this app, which is, I don't know why, is AliExpress. They're both similar names. And as you can see, they both have a little bit similar things. Like literally, if you want to, whatever you want to sell, it's going to be there for you. So what you're going to need to do is, what do you want to sell? You have to think about what you want to sell. And so yeah, basically you have to make sure you have those two apps downloaded, and you want to make an account because after a while you're going to be ordering them from them often. Let me turn this off. You're going to be ordering from them often. So after a while, you want to make sure all your information is there. You don't want your package to go to the wrong place because the shipping is not cheap at all. I'm going to let y'all know that right now. Shipping is not cheap. If y'all complain about Fashion Nova and all that shipping, now imagine when you start your business and you got to pay for shipping to come all the way from over there and your stuff is heavy. Like a small box like this, the shipping is going to be crazy. Shipping is crazy. And, rates go up every day. Rates go up every day. So you're going to be on these websites, you're going to be able to find custom vendors and you're going to be able to find just regular vendors. A lot of these vendors you can find and they do things for you. Oh, let me tell you, one more app you guys need is WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a free app that you can download that you can use to communicate with these people. WhatsApp, let me show you guys WhatsApp on my phone. WhatsApp is right here. As you can see, I've been communicating. I've been talking. I already have two businesses. I'm not going to show you all that, though. I already have two businesses. So this is what you need to talk to these people. And so you also need to know your time zones. So once you figure out, once you find this vendor and you know, like, kind of where they're located, you need to make sure you're paying attention to the world clock on your phone. So as you can see, I have certain places for the time zones. Like I have Shanghai. I have a vendor that's from Shanghai. You need to know what time it is because right now it's 2:55 in the morning. Ain't nobody talking to you. Nobody's about to talk to you right now. So you need to have that in your phone, and you need to pay attention because you might have to wait until it is 10 o'clock here. Like I live in Pennsylvania. So right now it's 1:55 in the afternoon. So it's afternoon here and it's early in the morning there. So I can't talk to them right now. I can't send them a message. That's rude because you don't want nobody sending you a message at 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning. And like what? So, and that says tomorrow. So they're 13 hours ahead. So tomorrow, like over there, it's 3 in the morning, Saturday morning. I'm off. They're off. These factories are closed. So you really got to know, you got to pay attention to that. So you can't message them. You can't message them until Sunday here because that'll mean it'll be Monday there. These factories are most of the time Monday through Friday. So you have to really be on top of that. So when in your phone, once you figure out where this vendor is or whatever, you got to put that in here so you can know. because that is like crazy. And then you're going to be sitting there like, why are they not talking back? Why are they not talking back? Because the factory is closed, baby. They're not going to say nothing. They're not going to say anything. It's over. Like, you're going to have to wait a couple days. It's really business days with them. So let's get into the nitty and the gritty. So I'm really going to I'm going to show you Alibaba, because I highly recommend Alibaba. They're easier to maneuver and all that. So let's get into it. So let's think of a product, you know, everybody wants to sell right now. So sunglasses, trendy sunglasses. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the type bar. We're going to type in trendy. You can type in trendy sunglasses. You can type in whatever you want to type in. Trendy sunglasses. That's just right there. Let me move up to y'all. So type in trendy sunglasses. So you're seeing all the glasses, and they, you know these people are going to show you other pictures, other people's pictures. So these are trendy sunglasses and market prices. These look like Lorve, Diara's brand or whatever. So if you want trendy sunglasses like that, so this vendor that we just came across, so we're going to look at their setup. So this is this is a vendor you might want to check out. They have a good rating. Their rating is 4.6, the store rating. So nobody's really had an issue with them. They're close to 5 stars. They're close to 5 ratings. They're a verified supplier, but they're 2 years in business. 2 years in business. They haven't been in business that long, but they're verified. So that's one thing you need to look for. You need to make sure that these people are verified. You want to see how long they've been in business, because that's important. That's important when you're looking at stuff. And if you're trying to look into making money and you're trying to look into starting a business, you need to look and pay attention to that. Hold on, y'all. So we looked up trendy sunglasses. So we picked out that one place. So let's get back into it. So, you know, so we picked out the one thing. So here, you know, you're scrolling, you're looking, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to go to these people, you know. Oh wow, they had to clear my tons. That's going to distract you. Make sure you're looking. Make sure you're looking at distractions. So this person, they're a verified seller. They have good, you know, here's the information. They're a verified seller. They've been in business for 3 years, which is not bad. But sometimes you might want to be with the people that's been in business for a long time. And you want to look at the revenues and so on. So, yeah. So they're not bad. So, all right. So say you want to use them. All right. So what you want to do is you want to start a chat. Go to chat now. Go to chat now. Because you want to build relationships with these people. So you're going to chat now. And what you want to do is, all right, say... My name is Nadia, so I'm going to put it like this. So you're going to say, hello. You're going to get the message together. Hello. You're going to say, my name is Nadia. My name is Bella Hadid. I need to stay on TikTok. So you're going to say, hey, my name is Nadia. As you can see, you're going to say, I am, you know, maybe... starting a business. I would like to work with you guys. I would like to work with your company. And you're gonna ask, may you show me catalog? You want to ask for catalogs, and you're gonna ask them, do they have WhatsApp? And because you want to be able to talk to somebody, like you got to build these relationships. So do you have WhatsApp? So usually, sometimes I just say straight up, say, do you have WhatsApp? And when they say they have WhatsApp and they send me their WhatsApp, then you get more in depth into the conversation. They're going to ask you what you're looking for, and it's like you have your own specific person. So that's the message. There you go. That's the message. You're going to send it, and then you're going to wait. So obviously right now, the time frame is not going to work right now. But like I said, you have to make sure you're knowing your time frames, and you have to make sure you're paying attention to that stuff. So And so one thing I want to say is you don't always want to have just one vendor. Like if you're going to sell sunglasses, some vendors have better selections of round glasses than others, or better prices on square glasses than, or whatever. So you want to make sure you have multiple vendors. Here's a great vendor that I would recommend someone use. So this vendor, they have the trendy glasses that you want. They have multiple colors. They have pictures, all kinds of stuff. So this is a good vendor that you're going to want to use, because let's get to it. 4.9 out of 5. They are darn near perfect. They're darn near perfect. They don't have a big staff. 90% on-time ratings. And all the time, on-time ratings is not because of the vendor. Sometimes it's because of the shipping company. That's something you always need to know. They've been in business for 12 years. 12 years. Be for real. They've been in business for a long time, so they know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. So that's a great vendor. And then when you go to their products, they have all things sunglasses. All things sunglasses. They have products for days, for everybody, for all occasions. They have regular glasses. So that's going to be, this one will be like your best bet. And then when you start communicating with them and they send you stuff, like look at this. Everybody wears these. These are hot right now. These are hot. They have all the colors. They have over 14 colors. They have everything you need. And then when you're purchasing from these vendors, you have to pay it. One more thing that you have to pay attention to is, for one, you guys can buy samples. Their sample price is $4, which is more than the wholesale price. The wholesale price is 79 cents to $3. And that is because you're going to be paying less when you buy more. So if you're just getting 10, their minimum order amount is 10 pairs. So that means if you get 10 pairs, they're going to be, more likely, they're going to be $3 a piece. So when you get 10 pairs, it's going to be $30. So, yeah. So then, that's a real thing you need to pay attention to. So when you're looking at these things, next to the prices, it says 10 pieces. The MOQ is the minimum order quality. So you need to pay attention to that number, because whatever's next to the MOQ on these apps is the minimum that you can order. So you have to pay attention, because you might find a real good vendor, but their MOQ is 20. And sometimes their MOQ is 20, and that means some businesses, some of these vendors, it's either you're getting only 20 of one style, or sometimes they can be like just 20 period. So you can get 5 different styles and you have to get 20, which is not a bad number if you're starting a business. You need to have a good amount of inventory. You can't start with 5 pairs. I mean, you can, but it's like, are you really going to get somewhere? You have to really be ready to spend some money when you're starting a business. So, yes, so I think I covered just about everything you need to know. So, you have to know a few things. You have to have these apps, and I told you the apps. You have to know MOQ, minimum order quantity. You have to know how to talk to these people. Have WhatsApp. Build conversations, because sometimes, build these relationships, because sometimes they will give you, you know, some deals. They'll send you stuff that they're doing all the time. You have to build, because they want to, if you want to make money, if they want to make money, they're making money off of you when you are making money and all that. So build relationships. Tell your friends about them. If you know somebody, tell somebody, because when, like, this is just how it goes. If you're looking out for them, they're going to look out for you, basically. So yeah, that's how you find your own vendors on Alibaba. And if you want to see more videos and you're ready for more content, you know, comment below and subscribe. And before I end this video, I'll make sure you follow me on my personal Instagram. My business Instagram account, I have a beauty company and I have a boutique. So follow them both on Instagram, and, you know, check their websites out, shop, and see if you like something. Also, Make sure you follow me on TikTok. Follow my boutique TikTok page. I haven't made one for the beauty page yet, but follow my boutique TikTok and my personal TikTok. I put everything on my personal, and the boutique TikTok. You know, I put it all on the boutique. Make sure you subscribe. Why not subscribe? It doesn't. It's not taking anything from you. It's not taking anything from you. It takes 2 seconds to subscribe. So make sure you follow all my Instagrams. Follow all my social media. Subscribe, go watch some videos, like some videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.